Welcome back. DC Legacy Farms, but most importantly, in the wild. You ever get one of those days where you should have just stayed in bed? Yeah, me too. So maybe I'll post a picture along with this, but long story short, earlier this morning I had a brand new chainsaw, almost brand new, maybe 3 months, and well, I fucked that up. Broke it, had to take it in, I couldn't wait. Had to buy another new saw regardless, so I picked up another new saw. Probably should have just said the heck with it, but it is what it is. So I just, I don't know. Ah, fuck. Yeah, today's a me fuck up day. Totally my bad. Oops.